In this very short video, we're going to look at using the NaturalReader extension for Google Chrome in order to have our computer read us content from a website. So this example is on a Mac, but this will work on a Chromebook as well in a very similar fashion. So we're going to start by heading to Window and Extensions. We're going to click on this little hamburger icon on the left and say Open Chrome Web Store, where we're going to search for NaturalReader, all one word. Here's the tool we want, NaturalReader Text-to-Speech, so we're going to click on that and we're going to say Add to Chrome and confirm that we want to install it. By default, this won't be pinned to our extension bar, so we want to click on the extension tool and pin it to our toolbar, and here we see NaturalReader. If I go back to the original website that I had opened and highlight some text that we want to listen to, I should be able to click on NaturalReader, do a little bit of setup in terms of voice and speed, and then have it read to me. Sometimes takes a second to get started. And although you probably can't hear the voice there, you can see it highlighting the text as it reads. And that's it, NaturalReader ready to go.